Let's try the best kebab in Dubai. So I'm in Dubai for another layover. I'm trying out some Iranian barbecue, and apparently these guys won best kebab of the year. It's called Ustad. Let's see what all the hype is about. What's the most popular thing I can order here?
The number one for Iranian Arabic yogurt one. Indian, Pakistan, Asian, chicken kebab mutton plus chicken zafran.
So I'm gonna break a piece off with some of the bread, grab some kebabs, and dip it into the chutney. Okay, that's solid. But I think I grabbed a piece of the Pakistani version of a kebab because that basically tastes like a Pakistani seekh kebab. Let me try the Iranian one that the owner was talking about. I think that one had a bit of yogurt in it. The Iranian yogurt one has a really nice tang to it. That's an interesting flavor. It has a nice char. It's a bit crunchy because it's on the charcoal barbecue. I don't know how they get that flavor from the yogurt. I don't know what that is, but it's really good. I never had anything like that before in Toronto. The Pakistani seekh kebab was a bit whatever because I usually have that back home in Toronto and there's nothing really special about it here. But let me try the chicken saffron. It's a juicy piece of chicken. It's not overcooked at all. Again, nothing too special. And let's try the lemon chicken. Okay, so that one reminds me of some local Iranian Persian spots we have in Toronto. It's a bit refreshing. Nothing really crazy. I'm surprised because now I'm quite convinced that Toronto food is pretty good because we get a lot of different cultures and a lot of different cuisines. So it holds up to some of the stuff that they have here in Dubai that apparently is the best in Dubai.